Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Binance in UAE in 2025, whether you want to buy, sell or trade the crypto safely and legally. This tutorial is for you. So first of all, we will start by downloading and installing the Binance application in your device. For that, simply launch your Google Play Store or App Store and search for Binance. Once you are able to find the Binance application, simply tap on the install button in order to download and install it successfully. You can also just use the affiliate link that is given in the description. If you use that link, you will get the sign up bonuses absolutely for free. So once you are inside your Binance application, its interface should look something like this. Over here, once you tap on this assets tab in the bottom right hand corner, you will have to create your account here. So provide your email address or your phone number in order to do that. Then you need to verify both of these or one of these which you have selected. After doing so, you will be inside your Binance application just like so. Its interface should look something like this. Now over here, you won't be able to deposit, buy or sell easily because first of all, you need to verify your identity. So here on this page, you will see the verify option. So you need to tap on that verify option and upload your Emirates ID or your passport along with a clear selfie. This step actually required in the UAE to comply with the regulations and unlock all the features like deposit, withdrawals and trading. So the verification might take 24 to 48 hours. So you need to be patient until you have successfully verified your account. Now, once the verification is completed and once you have the full access of your Binance dashboard, now is the time to buy the crypto over here. In order to purchase the crypto on the home page itself, you will see the buy crypto option. So simply tap on buy crypto. Over here, tap on this drop down menu and select AED. Then enter the amount in AED over here and it is going to show you the equivalent amount of USDT that you are going to get. So tap on the preview order option here in the bottom and you can also select the payment option. So by default it is going to show you the bank transfer, but if you want to choose the card for this payment, you can just choose it, confirm it and tap on the add new card. If you have selected add new card, you need to provide your card details like your card number, your name on the card, the expiration date CVV and your address details. Then you need to basically confirm it. After doing so, tap on the preview order option, then agree to the terms and conditions and press continue. It will redirect you on the website where you need to basically verify some of the details and confirm your transaction. Once your transaction is completed from this particular method, you are going to receive USDT in your funding wallet. So if you tap here in the assets tab in the bottom right hand corner and then tap on this funding option here in the top, you will be able to basically transfer from the funding account to the spot account. So here you will see USDT. So you need to make sure that it is selected like so. Then select USDT and tap on the confirm transfer option. So this way you are going to get USDT in your spot account and now you can use this spot account in order to purchase the cryptos over here. So let me show you how you can purchase the crypto. So here in the bottom you will be able to see the markets tab. So if you tap on the markets tab, you will be able to see a bunch of different categories here in the top like the favorite coins, market, etc. So you can either select any of your coins from this list. Let's say for example you are interested in SUI, so you have tapped on it and in order to purchase it, simply tap on the buy option. Here on this page, enter the amount of SUI that you want to purchase, then it will going to show you the equivalent amount of USDT. Now as you can see, I have SUI/USDC, but you have purchased USDT, so you can just tap on this drop down menu and select the USDT pair. For that you can just simply use the search bar in the top and search for it. So it should look something like this. Now again enter the amount of either USDT which you want to spend in order to purchase SUI, or you can also enter the amount of SUI as well. Then tap on this buy option here in the bottom and your order will be placed and it will come here in this open orders section. Once your order is completed successfully, you will be able to manage it with the help of this assets tab here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now, if you want to sell your crypto or if you want to withdraw AED, you can just come here on the home page, tap on the more option, select the option of P2P. So this is Binance peer-to-peer marketplace. Over here, first of all, select the AED as your cryptocurrency here in the top right hand corner of the screen. Then instead of buy, select the sell tab. Over here, select that particular person to whom you want to sell the USDT and you are going to get AED in return. Make sure that this person is verified on Binance. Over here, enter the amount that you want to sell and tap on the place order option. Then you need to basically follow further on screen instructions in order to successfully withdraw the money in your bank account via P2P. I will create a separate video on this topic as well, so make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss the notification of that particular video. Now, in order to withdraw the crypto to another wallet, you can definitely do it as well. For that, simply come here on the home page, just like so. Tap on the assets tab in the bottom right hand corner, then tap on the spot option. Over here, you will see all of your holdings. So first of all, you need to select which cryptocurrency you want to withdraw to your any other wallets. Let's say, for example, I want to withdraw USDT. So you need to tap on it, select the withdrawal option, select the send via crypto network option, then provide the address over here. It will be the recipient's wallet address here. You need to provide that. Then select the correct wallet address. For example, if you have selected TRC20 network or the BP20 network, depending on the platform, you need to select that particular network only. Now always double check everything before hitting this send option or the withdraw option here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. So here it is going to show you the available balance that you have in your account and you need to enter the minimum amount that you want to withdraw. So after reviewing everything, you need to just simply tap on the withdraw option and wait for it to send you your cryptos from your Binance account to your favorite wallet or exchange. So the crypto transactions are irreversible here, so make sure that you check everything before making this withdrawal. And that's how you can use Binance in UAE in 2025. I have shown you everything, like from registration to buying, selling, withdrawing. But still, if you need any kind of help regarding this tutorial, you can just let me know that in the comment section below. And if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel for more crypto guides. Thanks for watching.